In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and effectively use the undo send feature in Gmail, a handy tool that can save you from email blunders. In the fast-paced world of email communication, moments after clicking send, you might notice a typo, missing attachment, or perhaps even realize the email went to the wrong recipient. This feature acts as a safety net, giving you a short window to retract a sent email before it reaches its destination. Let's dive into how you can set this up and utilize it effectively. To begin, we'll start by adjusting your Gmail settings. Head over to your Gmail account and click on the settings icon, which is represented by a small gear icon located in the upper right corner. Once there, select the option that says See All Settings. This action will take you to a page full of customizable options. Here, you'll want to focus your attention on the General tab, which is the default tab that loads when you enter settings. In this section, scroll down until you find the undo send option. This setting controls how long you'll have to decide whether to unsend an email after it has been sent. You can set this send cancellation period anywhere from 5 to 30 seconds, depending on what you'd feel comfortable with, but I recommend setting it to the maximum 30 seconds as it provides a more generous window for second thoughts. Once you've set your preferred time, make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to apply your new settings. Now that you've set up the undo send feature, let's look at how to use it effectively. After you send an email, immediately direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice an undo button appearing in a pop-up notification. It's crucial to act quickly and click undo within the cancellation period you just set. Once you click this button, the email will reopen in compose mode, giving you another chance to review, edit, or perhaps cancel sending it entirely. However, what if the cancellation period has passed and your email has already been delivered? Don't worry, there's still a way to make corrections. Open the email from your sent folder and click either forward or reply to all, depending on your needs. Here, you can make necessary edits or updates to the email content. Be sure to clarify that you're sending a corrected version by adding a note, something like correction, at the beginning. This will help avoid any confusion and ensure the recipients understand that this email includes updated information, and that's it. With these steps, you'll have a much easier time managing and correcting your emails, reducing the chance of errors being sent out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to practice these steps to become proficient in using this valuable Gmail feature.